and gentlemen of all cities and towns, today we're going to have a contest of our cars on this hill that I'm sitting on. Whoa! So as you can see, these are all our contestants for today. And make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And these are our first two contestants. But don't worry, there's going to be a losers round as well. So the winner of that losers round will still be in the championships. These cars have to survive this hill and face their fears for the end on the finish line. 3, 2, 1, go! And yellow Lamborghini is the winner for this round. So green Lamborghini, well, he still has a chance against the other losers, but we will have to find out. And off we go. Next is the white Lamborghini and the white McLaren. They are determined to win. And let's find out. And let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go! So white McLaren is the winner! Next up, on the left is the beauty Rolls-Royce that can open the door left and right. And then on the right, we have a police Lamborghini. So let's put them onto the test. 3, 2, 1, go! So the Rolls-Royce, the beauty, is the winner. Next up, on the left is the black supercar, and it's really fast. Maybe it's the Daytona, but I'm not sure. Cause yeah. And on the right corner is the big GME. So let's give it on for the test. 3, 2, 1, go! So guess like the big GME is the winner. So off we go. Sadly though, these 4 cars is only one is determined to win. So off we go onto the Willy hill. 3, 2, 1, go! So green Lamborghini is the winner. So off we go to the last round of the championships. So this is the first group of the championships. 3, 2, 1, go! So McLaren is the winner. So this is the second group of the championships. But there's no more revenge for losers now, because when they lose, they are just eliminated. 3, 2, 1, go! So the yellow Lamborghini is the winner. The last two duos stand next to next. And then only one, is determined to win the championships and will determine the title of Champions of Cars. So just remember, folks, only one is determined to win. 3, 2, 1, go! So there it is, folks. You heard the engine. You heard what it said. McLaren is the winner of the championships and claim the title of Champions of Cars. I will present him. Even me, give him the cape of justice. And that is it. Like and subscribe.
What the heck?